Come on, this literally.
Mostly cloudy with
Binghamton issued another snow squall warning.
highs in the mid-30s. Southwest
Dude,
winds 15 to
what
20
the
miles per
heck?
hour with gusts up to 40
What is
miles per
happening?
hour. Chance of snow 50%.
Oh, State College issued another snow squall warning, but I couldn't find their station. I couldn't find
In
it.
the lower 20s. West
Oh my god, that's a big mess of snow squall warnings. Dude, that's a huge mess. I need to find one. It's this one. It's this one over here. The other ones. The other ones are gonna expire.
The following is an urgent winter weather message. For the following counties.
That's a big mess of snow squall warnings, but some of them are gonna expire. Dude, what the heck? Yo, what is happening?
South Central Oneida County, North Central Otsego County, Central Madison County, East Central Onondaga County, until 12:45 p.m.
Dude, that's a big mess. What the heck?
Squall was located along a line extending from near Waterville to near Fabius.
Crazy.
Southeast at 30 miles per hour.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, dude.
Of heavy snow. Winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly
Dude, what is happening?
wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour.
Oh, now there's two left.
Radar indicated.
Now it's just two snow squall warnings left.
Difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes.
Dude, what the heck is wrong?
Pompey, Eaton, Paris,
Look at that.
Cazenovia, Morrisville, Stockbridge, Augusta, Nelson, and Clinton. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.
Bro, what?
Here is the National Weather Service forecast for Syracuse, Utica,
Dude,
and
what
vicinity.
the heck?
The rest of today,
What's happening?
mostly cloudy. Scattered snow showers late this morning. Then numerous
that's
snow
insane.
showers this